Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. Everybody in my house is still sleeping, hence the BJs. But I am going to get some garlic planted in. If you haven't planted your garlic just yet, what are you waiting for? Let's go. Hi. Good morning. So, if you could see, frost came early for me. The ground isn't too frozen. No, Royal. Want to put this down. That's where the roots are going to grow from. Each side up 2 inches deep. Difference between soft neck and hard neck. Soft neck does better in warmer weather but lasts longer. Hard neck is better in colder weather, doesn't last as long. But I mean, let's be real. You probably put garlic on everything, just like I do. So garlic doesn't last very long in my house. Now garlic in, I want to share my biggest tip with you is mulch the top of your garden once you've planted it. You can mulch it with hay, or you can mulch it with leaves that you have in your backyard or in your front yard. Now, another tip that I have is try to plant 2 or more varieties. I've always grown hardneck, just works better for me. Hardneck always has this hard stem around the bulb and the cloves. So the soft neck variety does not have this middle. Well, thank you beautiful people for joining me to plant this garlic. Now, leave any comments or questions and go check out the rest of my videos.